So to get started, go ahead and unpackage your beef. Here is a quick view of all the seasonings that I will be using today. After your meat have been cleaned in the water, vinegar, and lemon juice, you're gonna take them out, plate them, and dry them with a napkin to get away all of the excess water. Next, I'll add all the seasoning to the ramekin, mix very well. Then I'm gonna apply the seasoning mix onto our meat. Massage the wet raw marinade onto your meat very well, front and back, to make sure that all the seasoning are well incorporated into your meat. Next, you're gonna get a large piece of heavy duty foil paper and add your meat together. And you're gonna cook on 300 for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna check it like we're doing here. See all this nice juice your meat had produced? So after another 45 minutes of being in the oven, our meat is all finished and ready to be placed in our pot with our mixture of sweet bell pepper, red, orange, and yellow, with onions, garlic, and we're just gonna marinate it together. And here I have my covertop risotto pasta cooking al dente. We need it to be al dente. Here I added Alfredo sauce to the covertop pasta. I will provide a link below of my Alfredo video in case you want to know how to make it homemade. Here is the final result. Plate, garnish, and share. Trust me, your family or friends will love this recipe. It is so delicious.